Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo, I'm here today with Jodie and we're here to introduce you to the Foliage Frames die sets.
The foliage frames are absolutely beautiful. Do you like to ink? Do you like to colour? Do you like to paper piece? Because these dies are going to give you all those different possibilities. Okay, now you've got 3 different die sets, so let's have a look at those. So you've got this beautiful one here. Now straight away you've got your florals on both sides. You've got the huge and a huge sentiment in the middle. It's a big sentiment. It's lovely. So that one there, that is your circle die. So let's bring some cards in and give you an idea. So your sentiment is make today the greatest day. So you have got all that gorgeous detail in there, and that one's just been coloured in. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Maybe you want to do a wee little bit of paper piecing. So that one there has all been paper pieced by our Vic, absolutely beautiful. Just bring in a little bit of shimmering on those petals, or even just using 2 colours. Love how that sentiment, if I just lift it up, you can see how we've got the depth on that sentiment there. They make really clean, pretty cards, don't they?
They're fast as well. I think they can be as quick or as detailed as you want them to be. If you need a card in a hurry, this is a great one, because that sentiment is so huge, it takes up all the space. You don't have to really do anything else with it, do you?
Absolutely. So that one there is your Inspiring Sentiments circle die one. The next one is Chase Your Dreams. And I have to say, I love that sentiment. I think the sentiment in there is brilliant. Yeah, forget the cards, memory books, all that sort of thing, scrapbook pages. These are a really nice sentiment to fit on your scrapbook pages, aren't they? They're not going to get lost at all. So you've got all those florals round there again. So let's have a look at some of those.
This card is gorgeous. Look at that.
I love, a lot of people say to me, why do you use so much black in your cards? That's prime example why.
It really makes the colours pop, doesn't it?
It does.
To sort of show them off. I love it.
Really
and again,
pretty.
So simple. Just a bit of colouring between the die. Huge sentiment in the middle.
But then again, just 2 colours, your drop shadow, really brings that detail out in that one there. And then this one's being coloured in as well. So, but on a larger format card. Not pretty. Really, really pretty.
The dies are definitely doing all the heavy lifting on these cards.
Oh, they definitely
the sentiment and their real centre point.
Heavy lifting.
Heavy lifting,
wow.
Yeah.
We've then got the diamond one in here. Now the diamond one doesn't have heavy florals, does it? The other 2 have got the heavy florals. Well, this is more about the foliage, about the leaf and the detail in the leaf. So if I bring some of these in, the world needs more people like you.
What a lovely sentiment. That is absolutely really nice. And like you say, perfect on kind of memory books and things like that as well.
Imagine if you were feeling down and you got that card.
Yeah.
Exactly. Just a nice kind of brighten your day kind of card.
Yeah, really, really nice. But all those sentiments, you can mix and match them with each other, take them into the centres of the others. Really, really gorgeous. And you can see from all the cards that I've shown you, all different sizes. So large, shaped ones to funky folds, all those different funky folds on those ones. But you can see, like you say, focal point straight in there, all the heavy lifting done by that main die in there. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Think about your Nouveau that you've got as well. All those micro mists and different things. Use them as stencils.
They'd be brilliant stencils, yeah.
They'd be really nice stencils. The size of them, it would make a really nice stencil. We're not supposed to have favourites, but I have to say, I think.
You can't have a favourite.
Oh, I can.
You can't.
I can. Look at that one. I think they're beautiful.
Really pretty.
I use this term a lot, but I think simply beautiful.
Yes.
Does that make sense?
It does make sense, yeah. There's not a lot to it, but on its own, it is just
absolutely, yeah. There's something that's going to stand out on the mantle, especially if you're going to do it like that one there. You know, just that black outline on there, and those sentiments are absolutely beautiful, gorgeous.
Perfect die set. So these are available now. Don't forget, if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you do have your TCK code for your 10% discount across our website, and that is automatically applied to your basket for your checkout as long as you're logged in. You can also pay in installments with ShopPay, PayPal, and ClearPay. I'm ignoring you, you know that, right? Don't forget to tag us in your makes. We would love to see what you do with these dies. Pop them onto our Facebook group or tag us across social media at Tonic Studios or #ShowTonic.
Do you want me to kick it out?
No, it's fine. Make sure you like the video. If you are not subscribed to our channel already, please do so you don't miss any of these videos as we go live. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bing, bing! Exactly, thank you very much. And we will see you all again very soon. From myself and TV's known and loved Jodie Johnson, happy crafting.
Bye!